Hi there. This is Jake Rapoport. I'm doing a screencast to tell you, anyone who's watching this really, about this cool new tool I found called Padlet. I came across Padlet recently. It's I think it's in my mind. I think it's about as good of a tool as you can have because it is as basic as you want it to be, or it can be as complex as you want it to be. It allows the user to be creative while still adding a whole lot of functionality because it does whatever you want. So the first thing you'd want to do if you want to learn how to use Padlet is go to Padlet.com. That's Padlet, as you can see on the screen. It'll take you to this page right here. When you log in, or actually, if I can log in, there we go. We'll get there eventually, I think. All right, we're having some minor technical difficulties, but we will get there. Hi there. My name is Jake Rappaport. I am doing this little screencast to talk to you about this cool little tool I found called Padlet. Obviously, the website, you can see it's up here, padlet.com, Padlet. What I like about this tool is that in my mind, it's perfect because it is everything that the user wants it to be. It could be whatever you like to accomplish. It could be as complicated or simple as you'd like to, and it's very customizable in whatever task you want to set for it. So let's get started. First, we're going to log in. Obviously, click the login button in the top right. Lets you click right here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook. You can sign up yourself. I'm going to sign up with Google because I use a lot of Google things. And you click on your name or you log in with your account. It's going to take you in. We're in there. Of course, it'll ask you to install an extension if you use Google Chrome, which I tend to use a lot of, but I'm going to ignore that for now because I think the website, for my purposes right now, is good enough. So here on the main page, you can see all the different things you can do. It'll offer you help. You can just kind of use your area to see any Padlets you've created. But let's get started on talking about what a Padlet actually is. So I'll create a new one. And it's creating my Padlet. The website's very friendly, as you might see. Got a nice little note, personal note thanking me for signing up. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so this is Padlet. It doesn't look like anything. But the way I like to see it, think about it, is as if it's basically an online corkboard or a message board or whatever you like to call it. It's a blank slate for whatever you like. So there's all sorts of things. You can leave notes, you can leave multimedia, you can have it's all collaborative. So basically what you do is I want to create a new wall. Sorry about that. So basically you're going to double click on an area and it'll open up and let you get started. So as you can see here, I'm going to do this is my note. I want to remind myself to pick up laundry and outdoors. All time. So I'm going to remember this. I can put this up on my computer. You can look it up on your tablet. You can be able to see, okay, these are my notes. You can make basically whatever you like. So I'm gonna do that there. Now, you think that might be basic. Leaving notes for yourself. Google Keep can do that. Evernote can do that. That's great. Where this gets interesting is that it lets you upload things. It can drag and drop a file, as you might see here. I don't really have much. This is a pretty new computer, but you get the idea. You can put up a photo. You can click to put up links to take you places. Where I think this gets really interesting is school applications, because what you can do is create this link and you can make it public. So you can just put a link on your class website's class's website and do whatever you like. And kids or students or whoever you like, it has business applications as well, can come here and leave notes. So this can come and be a collaborative place to leave information. So, for example, if you wanted students to find, let's say, poems that they like, you can have each person come here, click on it, and say, "Here's poem," and they can either type their poem here, as I'm typing gibberish. You can mess around. As you can see, it has bullet points. You can do anything that you really like within, mess around with the fonts, indentation. It's a pretty robust, I won't say word processor, but it has enough features that I'm actually comfortable calling it that. And so students can come and leave information here. So it's a gathering place. So students can come and see, oh, Susie left this poem. I really like that. Stephen left this one. I don't like that. Or you can have pictures. It's very, very creative. It lets you do what you want. So, for example, if you're trying to come up with, I don't know, you can come up with all sorts of different things. You can have students try to find pictures of paintings that they like, and they could write post a picture of the painting, and they could link to it, art.com, all sorts of interesting things there. I don't know if that's an actual website, so I'll be safe if you're actually going to that. They can basically put look, there's art.com. I don't know what that is, but you can click, it'll take you right there. So theoretically, they could leave a picture. They can put a little notation about why they like why they like the piece of art, or whatever you really like. I think it's a very interesting tool because it gets people working together, which is always good. What you can also do is, if you go to, let's say, a computer lab, or if your classroom has computers, you could project your Padlet onto the screen, have people input their information, and everyone can see it. And then they can talk about it. So it's basically it's a very big collaborative tool. The basic version, as you see here, is you can actually, interesting little note. You can put in pictures. You might see me. There I am. And now I'm gone because I don't need you to record me posting this here, but you get the idea. So the interesting thing is that they have more premium version, which had added security, added upload file size. You can actually upload movies rather than links to movies, as long as they're within a file limit. Costs about $50 per teacher per school. And now, of course, you can when you pay for it, you get access. You can limit who accesses it. It's obviously very private, and you can take away access if, say, a student isn't using it correctly, or they leave your class. So it's as customizable as you like. So yeah, that's my Padlet. I really did a great job showing you much here, but in the end, it's anything you want it to be. It's a complete blank slate. So that's Padlet. Try to get playing with it. It's fun. Thanks a lot.